So let's start today's training. Good afternoon, everyone. Here is the part. Our today we are just discussing about the topics like data record, alarm record, train chart, and historical train chart. So let's start from the data record first. So what is first of all what is the data record? And the second point is record configuration, and third one is data record relevant objects. Which object you have to use for record the data. What is data record? So data record is mainly used for logging data, store the data into HMI. Then we can review the recorded data to export it from the HMI or on the HMI screen directly. So basically जो डेटा रिकॉर्ड होता है वो HMI के अंदर स्टोर रहता है और हम उसको एक्सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं और व्यू कर सकते हैं उसको. सेकंड इज रिकॉर्ड कॉन्फ़िगरेशंस. तो अभी हम वो देखने वाले हैं कि हम डेटा रिकॉर्ड का कॉन्फ़िगरेशन कैसे सेट करते हैं. So if you can see my screen, then this is the data record portion on the toolbar of our PI Studio page. Go to this project configuration and you can find their data record. And then how can you just create a new data record? So here is some small video. There are a few steps. Click on the new button, add button to create a new record. Then you can rename group name. You can see here. You can rename this group name. You can write here your group name. Click to save. Then set the sample condition. This 4 are conditions. The first one is no trigger. Then you can set here cycles or seconds. After that cycles, you can record your data like 15. Here we set 15. It means every 15 seconds our data will be recorded into the record chart. ये 4 कंडीशन है डेटा रिकॉर्ड की. नो ट्रिगर, अभी नो ट्रिगर हमने सेट किया रखा हुआ है. मतलब है हर 15 सेकंड के अंदर हमारा डेटा रिकॉर्ड होगा HMI के अंदर. The next one is set the total number channel. So we can select here our channel. So here we can set channels 1 to 100 into the one group of this part. Basically these four addresses channels are the second one is trigger to record by sample cycle. So you have to set the sample cycles to record the data. जब ट्रिगर होगी तब उस सैंपल साइकिल के ऊपर आपका डेटा ट्रिगर होगा. And trigger to record once and reset. While you receive a trigger from your PLC, then your trigger will be resetted automatically. The third one. And the fourth one is trigger to record once. While your beat is triggering into HMI or PLC, which whatever you set, your data will be recorded at that time in the chart table. So these 4 are conditions. So this is the total number of channel. You can set up to 100 and click on the address to sell to sample address. So this part is for you can write your addresses here and you can set the quick setting of this channel from here. And आपको जो आपका एड्रेस है वो यहाँ पर लेना है और आप उसका नाम भी एडिट कर सकते हो. And this is the data format and this is the data length and digit. You can set the numeric input display digit here. And these all are the quick settings. If you want, if your all data is in 16-bit decimal format, you can select here the format. This format will apply into the all channels in just single click only. So this is a setting for quick setting for every data formats. And here you can see one option. See here you can see the upload to cloud setting. So it means this function will be applicable for in 3000 series. You can see in dash C HMI, this function will be available. This data will be uploaded to the cloud. And our 8000 series will support this function normally. So these are the options. Next thing, you can see here a video for that, how it will be works. So here we just set the registers, data formats according to your need. So here is the data record operation steps. So I just run this video, select the record group. As you just created here record group, you have to select here. And the next, configure the function addresses. So this is the function address. You have to configure it. And it will occupy the 20 word addresses. And then you have to click on the add screen, and this is the final option, display in reverse order. So every new record will be displayed on the first. So this for our steps to set into the data record chart table. So I will just play it again. You have to just select your group, then add any addresses of HMI internal addresses. You can set it. Then select the screen and click on the display in reverse order. These are the some other tips. The default storage path in the is the internal flash. User can set the different part in the project setting. So into the project setting, you can see the default data record storage path is flash drive into the HMI internal memory. So you can set your data, record your data into the SD card and UDISK path. You can set your path by clicking these options. And the next thing is all the record files are the database formats by default in HMI. User can use the data log tool, use the log file. तो HMI के अंदर जो भी रिकॉर्ड फाइल होती है डेटाबेस फॉर्मेट में होती है, और आप उसको डेटा लॉग टूल के थ्रू ओपन कर सकते हो और व्यू कर सकते हो उसको. And next one is, if the HMI and PC is connected onto the same LAN port network, the user can use the PI record upload tool to export the record from the HMI to PC without using the function switch. So if you are, अगर आपके पास में IG वाली HMI है और आपके PC के साथ में वो LAN केबल से लगा हुआ है, ठीक है, तो आप PI record upload tool का यूज करके आप अपने डेटा को एक्सपोर्ट कर सकते हो. You can see here export tool. You just have to find your HMI. Just have to search your HMI by writing the IP address, and you can export the data of your DB file format by using a PI record upload tool. So these are the another option to export the data by using the LAN cable. Next, these are the some relevant addresses for user can use the special register to do the copy or delete the operation. If you want to delete the data records from the HMI, you can use this option, delete all records. Here are the some special addresses: delete graph and alarm record. Then other one is copy and paste the alarm data files flash into the using the USB flash disk. तो आप डेटा को कॉपी और पेस्ट कर सकते हो फ्लैश से यूडिस्क के अंदर, ठीक है. एंड दिस इज फॉर द अलार्म एंड डेटा फाइल्स फ्लैश इनटू द एसडी कार्ड. आप डायरेक्ट आपके फ्लैश से एसडी कार्ड में और यूडिस्क के अंदर आपके डेटा को कॉपी पेस्ट कर सकते हो बाय यूजिंग दिस एड्रेसेस. एंड दिस आर द सेम एड्रेसेस लाइक दैट. यू कैन सी डिलीट ग्राफ एंड अलार्म रिकॉर्ड. अगर आप ये भी स्विच का यूज करोगे तो आपके सारे डेटा जो है वो डिलीट हो जाएंगे बाय यूजिंग ऑल अलार्म रिकॉर्ड. अगर आपको डिलीट करना है तो HSX 521.2 यू हैव टू यूज दिस एड्रेसेस एज अ बीट स्विच. And if you are clicking it, then all alarms are deleted from the HMI flash memory. So these are the some special addresses you have to see. HSW 521. And the next one is user can use the function switch to transfer the record files. As we see in the previous station, you can use the function switch to the export your data from flash disk to the U disk. आप अपने HMI का फ्लैश से पेन ड्राइव के अंदर डेटा एक्सपोर्ट कर सकते हो by using the function switch. You have to set these things into the function switch. About the function address, uh, we receive the lots of questions from your side that what is the use of this function addresses. So here you can see, just add a function address. Here we just add the function address to this channel. So what is the use of this function addresses? So it is here. So you can see on this my PPT that if you set the register function address HW0, then first 6 registers HW0 to HW5 is for year, month, day, hour, minute, and second. So the function address is a common setting for all the chart and tables objects, mainly used for the query recording to the time range. For the details, please check the following link. You can also check this link to view this in details. So HW6 and 7 is for unit for the span value. And the 8 number is a word switch to for page up and down option. And the next HWX 9.0. This is the auto refresh bit. If your question is while you are turning on the HMI, your data will not be updated. So you can use this address and you have to write 1 into this auto refresh bit, and your data will be continuously working here in data chart. So, so I think for that, I just create one demo for you. Let me just check it. So here I just you can see in project configuration, data record, I just create one channel and my trigger condition is no trigger. I set the timing address. So these all channels will be recorded onto this time sample cycle. Okay. So this time is I taking here. This is my auto refresh bit. I set the function address as a HDW0. So my auto refresh bit will become HDX 109.0 according to our PPT. You can see auto refresh bit is the 9th address. This is the 9th bit of our function address. So here I set the 1 second. So after writing this, you can see. So after writing this, you can see my data is not recording. You have to double click on it and click to refresh button. Apart from then, you can use this buttons or these functions to record the data. See, I just click on it and my data, I can see my data. So if you use these bits and can power up your HMI, then you can see your data will be recorded automatically. You don't need to just click on this refresh button. You have to use this button. Okay. And these are the addresses. And you can say here is a sample, here is a setting button for query your data. So if you want to see data, if you don't want to use this option, then just here is the same addresses like that. You can check here for page up and down, auto refresh and query your data. You can use this type of, you can make the demo like that by using this addresses. So here I want to just go down. So I will click on this down button. So I see here, if this one is working like auto refresh bit, then I cannot click on this down button. I have to just stop this refresh button and then click on the down button. So I will jump onto the another page and see this is the page up button. So this is my current data. So I refresh it and you can see current data. And what is this function? How do we query our data? How can we see the data? Okay, so let me just take one demo on that. So basically, I want to just view data from 14, 17, 0 from 1 minute data. I want to see the 1 minute data from 14, 17, 0. So you can see the last data is 14, 2, and 18 minutes. And I will just scroll down my page and the last data is 14, 17, 0. So this data chart will only show me a data of 1 minute from 1470. So here you can see the effect. This this way you can query your data. And if you want to see the newer data, means right now recorded data, you just have to click on this refresh button again, and you can see 141908. So now I just want to see a 2 minute data from this part. Okay, so let's just do it. We just have to turn off this refresh button and click on the 1417 to I want to see 1417 to 1419 2 minute data. Okay, so I write here 2 minutes. You can select your span according to your needs. This is in minutes, hour, and day. You can see the data according to that. So here, after setting this setting, I can see the first data is 1419, and I will just page it down, and my data is this is complete 2 minute data I just received here. So this is the use of this query button, uh, and this is the register for it. By using this register, you can do this. This is a page up and page down button for this chart. Okay, so I hope you just understand this, guys, and let me just continue our training. And you can review your if you want to review the course, please go with this training for the data record. It will explain you the all conditions of data records. And if you want to know about the pi record upload tool and data log tool, please go with this video, 24th number video. You can see and see the methods. How can you use the pi record upload tool? How can you export the data from the HMI as a LAN cable to your PC? Please go with this video. If you want to review the course, please go with this, the IG upload to cloud configuration. How can you just upload data onto the VNet server, and how can you just download it? You have to view this video. So, so if you have any question regarding the data record, let me just check. Just check. Okay. Okay, I will just talk in Hindi in some special functions. I will just also explain it into Hindi. अगर आपको कोई स्पेशल वहाँ पर यूज हुए, ठीक है, तो मैं हिंदी भी यूज कर सकता हूँ वहाँ पे, वो मैं एक्सप्लेन करूँगा हिंदी में. Okay, then we will just move it to our second part, that is the alarm record. अभी हम alarm record के regarding देख रहे हैं. So let me just share the screen. So this one is for alarm record. So let's just start. So what is the alarm? What is beat alarm, word alarm, and alarm related objectives? We will cover these 4 points in the alarm presentation. So first of all, what is the alarm? So alarm used for real-time alerts and safety protection in case of equipment abnormalities, malfunctions, or exceeding limits. So this is the use of monitor and view the alarms. You can see into our PI 10.5 version. In project configuration, you can see the beat alarm and word alarm objects are here. And next part is you just have to click on that and click to this add button for create a new one beat alarm object. So these are the configuration steps, operation steps for the beat alarm configuration. Here you just have to fill the beat addresses if you want to just record it to the as alarm. Your addresses should be here. आपका alarm का address यहाँ पे आएगा and select the group number. Third one is group number. We can regard it as a filter, separate the different alarms into different categories. So यहाँ पे आप आपके अलार्म को ग्रुप में डिवाइड कर सकते हो. अगर आपका मशीन ऐसा है जोन 1, जोन 2, जोन 3, तो जोन 0 के सारे अलार्म है, जोन 1 के सारे अलार्म वो ग्रुप 0 में आएंगे. जोन 2 के अलार्म जो है वो सारे ग्रुप 1 में आने चाहिए. जोन 3 के अलार्म सारे ग्रुप 3 में आने चाहिए. So you can separate it by using this group function. Okay, you can separate your alarm according to this group number. And the fourth step is for record a beat alarm, not save to alarm off and upload to cloud. So the upload to cloud function is only available in IC-C models, as you know about our models. So enable the corresponding checkboxes according to your actual need. तो आप record alarm कर सकते हो. This is for if you don't want to save the alarm, then you have to click on it here, and this is for upload to cloud. Alert. So fifth one is alert. The corresponding control bit will be triggered when the alarm bit meets the condition. So while your alarm occur, this bit will be triggered and set as a on condition. अगर आपको कोई आउटपुट ऑन करना है या फिर if you want to just on any bit in your PLC program, when this M0 will occur, then you have to turn on the M10 as a set condition. So you can use this option, alert option. The sixth one is beep when alarm on. So HMI के अंदर जो if you know when the HMI will start it up, so you can hear the beep sound. So exact the beep sound will be working in HMI while this alarm is triggered. Okay. So HMI के अंदर आप जब पावर सप्लाई देते हो तब स्टार्टिंग के अंदर जो बीप का साउंड आता है, तो HMI स्टार्ट होने पे वही बीप का साउंड आता है ये जब अलार्म ट्रिगर होगा तब. So you can use this function also, beep when alarm on. The next one is content. So display content on the alarm table. So alarm chart के ऊपर क्या content आना चाहिए जब आपका अलार्म आए, तो आप टेक्स्ट यहाँ पर लिख सकते हो. You can write as your temperature is too high. You can write content like this. And then next is alarm condition. So you can record the alarm. You can record the alarm while this beat is turned on or while beat is turned off. So there is a condition for recording a beat alarm. So ninth one is alarm screen pop-up. So you need while alarm is triggered, the one pop-up screen will be occur onto the your HMI display program. Okay, so this portion is for the pop-up conditions. You can create one sub screen and you can set here for that. And next is our word alarm. So our first one is beat alarm. It is clear. Now we will look for the beat alarm. So general steps are the same with the beat alarm. Input alarm address and set the alarm condition and so on. You can set the conditions and some settings are same like beat alarm. The steps are different from the bits. You can write the name. You can write the name of your alarm to here. This first one is alarm name, and you can select your data format because it is a word alarm. So it can be a 16-bit or 32-bit or 32-bit floating. So you can set your data format according to it and set the alarm condition. There are total 4 type of conditions. तो यहाँ पे 4 टाइप की कंडीशन है आपका वर्ड अलार्म को रिकॉर्ड करने के लिए. So high alarm, low alarm, equivalent alarm and range alarm. They all can be set as a variable limit. आप ये चारों के जो अलार्म है उसको कोई वेरिएबल के ऊपर सेट कर सकते हो. समथिंग लाइक दैट. अगर आपकी वैल्यू 400 से ज़्यादा हो गई, टेम्परेचर की वैल्यू 100 से ज़्यादा हो गई, तब आपको वर्ड अलार्म रिकॉर्ड करना है. देन यू हैव टू यूज दिस अलार्म कंडीशंस. एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो सेट दिस कंडीशंस लाइक 100 से ज़्यादा हो तो आप उसको वेरिएबल बना सकते हो. ठीक है. So you can set your conditions into the variables also. So this is a very good thing in word alarm. The next is operation logic of word alarm is little bit different from the beat alarm. The word alarm is allow us to set up the different trigger condition on a single group up to 20 conditions row. So अगर आप यहाँ पे जो भी अलार्म आप क्रिएट कर रहे हो वो यहाँ पे 20 नंबर्स ऑफ आप सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो एक ग्रुप के अंदर. So you can set the 20 numbers of groups. ये एक ग्रुप के अंदर आप 20 सेट कर सकते हो कंडीशन. सो इफ वी वांट टू एडिट वन कंडीशन यू नीड टू डबल क्लिक ऑन इट एंड सिलेक्ट द रो. देन चेंज द सेटिंग्स. अगर आपको मान लो कि सेकंड नंबर वाले को चेंज करना है. ठीक है. इफ यू वांट टू चेंज द कंडीशन इन सेकंड नंबर ऑफ अलार्म देन यू हैव टू use this use this method. I will just show you. Wait a minute. You can see this video. You have to double click on this tab and change your condition here, and then you have to click on the edit button and then click on save and exit button. So I will just explain you again. अगर आपको कुछ भी एडिट करना है ये टैब के अंदर तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको उसके ऊपर डबल क्लिक करना है. यू हैव टू डबल क्लिक ऑन दिस अलार्म then click edit button and third click to the save and exit button. So this is the method of your saving. It is a little bit different from the our beat alarm. And this is the group number. So edit group. Different group can be assigned different colors to distinguish the alarm level and severity. So different group के लिए आप different text color and background select कर सकते हो. The next one is confirmation value. This setting must be used together with the alarm record confirm function. When the corresponding alarm row is clicked in the record display, this value will be written in the confirm address to acknowledge that the operator has recognized the alarm. So आप confirmation का use कर सकते हो. I will show you a video in the end of this PPT. How can you use this confirm value? So there are 3 more settings you can see in the alarm group. One is confirm value, one is alarm count address and cumulative time. तो ये तीनों के क्या जो है फंक्शन वो मैं आपको एंड ऑफ द पीपीटी समझाऊंगा. दिस इज द काउंट एड्रेस मीन्स while your alarm is turned on you can see there one. When your second alarm is coming so total number of alarm will be counted into this register. टोटल नंबर ऑफ अलार्म आपके टोटल अलार्म कितने आए हैं वो आपको काउंट करने हैं तो ये रजिस्टर के अंदर सेव होगा HW3100. यू कैन टेक दिस एड्रेस एज पर योर नीड. देन अनेबल क्यूमुलेटिव टाइम एड्रेस. तो ये क्यूमुलेटिव टाइम है मतलब आपका एक अलार्म कितनी देर तक चल रहा है. योर वन अलार्म कंज्यूम हाउ मच मिनट्स. You can see the seconds it is in second format so you can see the settings in this register. So these are 3 functions. So yes, there's the same alarm count address. So alarm count address you can see into the HW this register. And the third one is cumulative time. So the unit is second. As I said, the total accumulated time you can see for one alarm. It will be visible here. So other optional setting. So this one is so interesting for all users that are unable to sound for alarms. Enable the TTS function for alarm. It requires HMI to connect with the driver-free USB speakers. Only our 8000 series IG HMI or above models are support this function. The sound playing could be imported from the external or directly generated from the TTS. सो आप ये फंक्शन का यूज कर सकते हो अलार्म का। अगर आपको क्या जनरली आपको क्या करना है, एचएमए के साथ में एक स्पीकर लगाना है, ठीक है। दिस इज योर स्पीकर, इट इज इट इज कनेक्टेड वाया यूएसबी केबल। दिस इज द यूएसबी स्पीकर, okay, USB speaker. So while any alarm is occur onto the HMI, okay, so this will be turn on. तो स्पीकर जो है वो बजेगा, ठीक है। और द फाइल यू कैन सिलेक्ट ऑडियो फाइल, यू कैन इंपोर्ट ऑडियो फाइल, okay, you can import audio file from here, or you can also use the TTS text to speech function. You can set text for speeching it, okay. So this is a good function for TTS function in our, and this is a note that please keep in mind our 8000 series IG are supported this function, TTS audio, and it is working so well. आप उसका यूज बीट एड्रेस और वर्ड एड्रेस में कर सकते हो, अनेबल द साउंड अलार्म। So if you have any question, you can ask to our group. We will just send you some demos and working videos onto the group for this TTS function. In the alarm relevant objects. So how can we see this alarm into the alarm display? तो ये जो अलार्म का हमने सेटिंग किया है वो हमको डिस्प्ले के ऊपर कैसे दिखेगा? So you have to use these two objects, alarm record and run bar. So these are two objects are available for alarm functions. So first one is history alarm record, current alarm record, and alarm status. You can select your method from here, alarm type. The second one is group number. So your alarm condition on which group, you can select your group number from here. The third one is configure the table header. And fourth one is combined with the confirmation value function. Okay. So here is the fourth one. Confirmation method, just double click. You can write some addresses to here for confirmation values. So run bar, how the run bar it will works. Select the type as a run bar as a alarm in run bar setting. Set the alarm content for the display when running the object. So you can see your alarm as a run bar. After click on the row, the confirm value would write. So as you know, I just told you, I will explain it later, that you can confirm the value of your alarm. The value is 20, okay. And when you double click onto the alarm chart bar, so this value will be written into this addresses HW50, and the confirmation is a double click. So you can see here, ये जनरली किसके लिए, अगर आपको अलार्म को कंफर्म करना है, ठीक है, कि अलार्म की वैल्यू कंफर्म हुई है या नहीं। अलार्म कंफर्म है तो ये जो वैल्यू है वो HW50 के अंदर राइट हो जाएगा। सो दिस इज द वीडियो हाउ इट वर्क्स। सो here you can see you set the high alarm limit is 451. So while your temperature is higher from 451, alarm is occur here. So right now current temperature is 452. So while you click on this, then see it will be turn on red, and means it is confirmed, alarm is confirmed, and you can see this value 20 will be arrived into this acknowledge button. So you can confirm that your alarm is coming or not by using this function. And this one is for alarm count and accumulate the count when the value meets the alarm condition. And cumulative time, for the time will accumulate while the value remains in the alarm condition. तो जब अलार्म आएगा, ठीक है, तो कितने अलार्म आए उसका टोटल काउंट आपको यहाँ पे मिलेगा, और आपका अलार्म कितनी सेकंड तक चल रहा है, तो वो सेकंड का एड्रेस आपको यहाँ पे मिलेगा, क्यूमुलेटिव टाइम. I will just show this video to you. See, my alarm is coming, so it will count as a one, and you can see it will be run for the 5 seconds. This alarm run for the 5 seconds. So this is my second alarm. So you can see count is increasing, and you can see the total cumulative time seconds here. So this is a function of alarm count and cumulative time. So if you want to download the demo, please go with this link. And if you want to learn the TTS function, please follow this video. So in this video, we will just show you that how it will be works, TTS function. So do you have guys any questions? Please share the training video. If you have any question, you can ask it to our WhatsApp group also. So we will cover it to the here. So this is the content of Alanam. Now we will just move for the history train chart. Yes, now we will just move to the history train chart. Let's just start it. So in this history train chart, there is three topics: data record configuration and history train chart. So first of all, what is history train chart? So same to the real-time train chart, history train chart is also used for the drawing the numerical change of the word addresses by trained curve format. Unlike to the train chart, historical one is still able to retrieve the data after the HMI reboot. So here is the difference between the history train chart and लाइव ट्रेंड चार्ट. सो करंट ट्रेंड चार्ट इज ओनली फॉर अगर आपका डेटा कितना चल रहा है, ठीक है, वैल्यू वो आपको न्यूमेरिक वैल्यू को चार्ट के फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट करता है, एंड इट इज ओनली शोइंग योर लाइव डेटा. बट इन द हिस्ट्री ट्रेंड चार्ट यू कैन ऑल्सो रिट्रीव योर डेटा आफ्टर द HMI रिबूट. तो अगर आपकी HMI पावर कर ऑफ करके ऑन होती है तो भी आप आपका डेटा रिट्रीव कर चार्ट देख सकते हो, रिट्रीव कर सकते हो आपका डेटा. So first step is data record configuration. So because the data source of the history train chart is data record, it is same to the data record. Okay. So first of all, अगर आपको हिस्ट्री ट्रेन चार्ट बनाना है, उसका सोर्स डेटा रिकॉर्ड है. आप डेटा रिकॉर्ड की कंडीशन जो सेट करोगे उसके हिसाब से आपका हिस्ट्री ट्रेन चार्ट बनता है. अकॉर्डिंग टू योर डेटा रिकॉर्ड कंडीशंस, you can plot your history graph. So first of all, you have to use the data record function and record your channels into the data group number. As you know, we know about the data record. You have to follow the steps for that. And the next thing is plot the historical table chart, and you have to select your channels. You can set the curve styles, and set the chart appearance, and set the limit of x-axis and y-axis. You can set the some date time format object, and this is the range of variables. You can set also some variables on this range, maximum minimum range of the y limit. And the last one is a function address and query time span. As I show you in a data record function, this is the same. It will occupy the 20 addresses. So this is the 4 method of the data records. This 4 setting is available into the historical train chart. You can take a trial into your side. So the function address is a common setting for all the chart and tables objects, mainly used for the query the data record according to the time range. For the details, please check the following link. You can refer this link for view this registers in details. So you have to keep note here. Function address is to set the start address for the query time. It would occupy continuous 20 consecutive addresses by default. Please do not make the address conflict. तो आप एक के अंदर HW100 यूज करते हो, ठीक है, तो HW100 से लेके 120 these are the occupy registers. Do not use 100 to 120 in another object. It will be conflict. If you want to review the course, please go with if you can see here fourth number video is history train chart. You can see here. And if you want to download the demo, please refer to this link. And for this training, the last one is the train chart. So let me just start for the train chart. Previous one is the historical train chart, and it will be configured from the data record. Okay, so you can retrieve your data, and this one is the train chart. So what is train chart? Train chart configurations and train chart relevant objects. We will view on these topics. Train chart. Real-time train chart is mainly used for drawing the numerical range of the word addresses by train call format. So न्यूमेरिक वैल्यू जो भी होती है उसको हमको ट्रेंड के फॉर्म में देखना है, ठीक है, तो हम ट्रेन चार्ट का यूज करते हैं. The second topic is train configurations. So into this toolbar, on the data toolbar, you can see the option train chart. You have to click here to enter into the train chart configuration page. You have to click on the add option, then you can write a name for your train chart, then set the channels, set the curves, and you can use the dots for the numbers. You can maximum you can set the add curve at the same times. And then sample type. So sample type is a sample cycle sample. So you can set here time interval. So every 2 seconds, I think it will be a record at your data. So these are the some quick setting for your data records. And you can set the continuous address and you can set the independent addresses here. You can see here. And after clicking this button, you can set the individual addresses. And finally click to the OK button to finish the setting. And the train chart relevant objects. So this one is our in our right side object toolbar. You can see this option for take a train chart. There is only one object available for the real-time train chart. Yes. So this is the setting. How can you just configure it? You have to click on this button. You have to select your record first, and you can set your curve, line type, and colors. And the second one is for appearance. You can set the grids and can background interface, and also you can set the date and time format. See here some background interface. And the last one is the range. You can set the range for y limit, and you can also set as a variables. So click on the OK button to complete the setting. You can see here. So this is the configuration for the train chart.